SIP 125 cash price. 55,800 pesos down payment. 3,000 pesos description. Features stylish speedometer, sporty muffler, disc brake, available colors matte black, blue, black, pink, white, matte gray, matte orange, violet. Engine type 4-stroke. Single cylinder bore and stroke 53.5 x 55, displacement 125 cc, compression ratio 9.0. 1 fuel system, carburetor, cooling system, air transmission, belt dimensions and capacity LXWXH 1817X668X1045, ground clearance 137 m, fuel capacity, dry weight 95 kg, frame type scooter, front suspension telescopic, fork, rear suspension telescopic, coil spring oil damped, front wheel 2.7517, rear wheel 3.0017, front brakes, disc brake, rear brakes, drum brake. Performance max output 6.0 kilowatts, 7,500 rpm, max torque 9.2 Nm, 6,500 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.